What's going on, guys? Tony Maritato here. Welcome to the Total Knee Replacement Support Group YouTube channel. And this is an exciting episode for me. You know, I've been doing this nearly 21 years, and I still, on a consistent basis, find new ways, new strategies, new techniques to achieve goals for different clients. I shared a video not too long ago on a client who started utilizing this strategy, and I liked it so much that I want to share it with you guys today. So if I'm trying to improve knee flexion, the bend in my knee, there's lots of different ways to do that. By far, my favorite way is working with a physical therapist who can take you to the point of discomfort, but not to the point of pain. But if you're at home, you're working on your own range of motion, this has been a strategy that's been working really well for a lot of my clients. So if you notice, I'm inside a door frame. It can be a closet door, bathroom door, anything. I'm in a standard chair. And what I'm gonna do is we're gonna pretend for a minute that this is the knee that's been replaced. I'm limited in knee flexion on my left side. And so a lot of times what will happen is when a client goes to sit, they kind of have to kick that foot forward to sit using the armrest or touching the surface of the seat. I'm gonna turn this chair so I'm facing the wall. Let's pretend for a second that I can just barely get my toe back far enough so that I can hook it right inside there. If I want, I can use the wall and the armrest of the chair to stand back up. I can sit down. This gives me space to kick that leg out into a little bit of extension, but it also allows me to bring it back and hook it into the end range flexion. Now what'll happen is I'll feel some tightness. Hopefully I get a little bit of a stretch maybe on the inside of the knee, maybe a little stretch on the outside. I'm not trying to get any pinching behind the knee, but if I do, we can utilize a strategy known as contract relax, where basically I've got my toe right up against the door frame. I press into it as if I'm trying to push the door frame away. I hold that contraction for 5 to 7 seconds, and then I relax. And I would repeat this 5 to 7 times in order to retrain the central nervous system and the muscle to relax in this position. Now, once I've been here and I've done this for 3 to 5 minutes, as long as the pain hasn't gotten more intense, then what I'm gonna do is, I've got a couple options. So either I can take the pressure off, I can slide the chair a little closer and hook the toe again, or if I'm in this position, what I can do is actually kind of slide my upper body back, which slides my seat forward. And I'm not sure that you can see it from the camera angle, but basically what I'm trying to do is measure the distance from my knee to the door frame. And as that distance gets smaller, eventually my knee is gonna touch. I know that at this point, I'm beyond 90 degrees of flexion. So this is a great way for you to get some objective measure, understand if your flexion is improving. If your toe is touching the door frame and the distance between your knee and the door frame gets smaller, that means you're getting better. So lots of ways to make this work, guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Thank you for joining the Facebook group. And if you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll catch you on the next video.